Hi everybody, George Fokas Beyond. I've just finished an event this evening. I am in Sydney and I was presenting all around the world to people all about the strategy that I've been applying for over 24 years and a strategy that I've been teaching for over 18 years. I'm live in the markets right now. It is 12:28 a.m. in Sydney, just after midnight. The markets haven't opened. 2 more minutes and the markets will open. But I actually want to show the process of actually going in the markets. Live account, I'm going to do it. You're not going to see the stock codes or any of that. I am going to try and blank a lot of it out, but I just want to prove something. I want to prove to people that if they're willing to pull their finger out of their backsides and click buttons and take action with what I teach, they will make money from day one. Because the biggest thing that differentiates me and what I've been teaching for over 18 years and what I've been applying for over 24 years is we get paid a return on investment from day one upfront in our account, irrespective of what the markets are going to do in the future. We've all been conditioned and taught all our lives that the only way to make money is something needs to appreciate for us to make money. We've been taught that we've got to put time and effort in to see a return and a reward. You know, when we work for our money, we've got to put in the time to get a reward, and that's at the end. Money in the bank, we see a return at the end. You've got to wait for the term to mature at the end of the 12 months. People buy property and most people get a loan. And I'm sure you will agree that people who go and buy an investment property, most of them are negatively geared. They've got to wait to pay the 30-year loan off, or sell it for a profit before they pay the bank off and then see a profit. And a lot of people go into the markets. Now, you know, we've got these fake Bitcoin millionaires who have got money in the so-called bank accounts and all these digital accounts, but then we tell them to pull the money out and, you know, it's very difficult, it's very hard. I'm just keeping an eye on the markets, and the markets are just about to open. So I'm actually going to place a trade. I want you to see how long it takes for me to get into the market, my students all around the world, how long it takes for us to get into the market, and how quickly we can make money. Because that's what it's about. It's about having your money working for you, right? So the markets have just opened, and this is what I'm going to do. Here it is. I have blanked a lot of the things out. I'm going to put the stock code. Okay. I'm going to click Strategy Builder. So you can follow through with me. Step number 1, I've put the stock code in. Step number 2, I've clicked Strategy Builder. Step number 3, I'm going to add the stock to the strategy. Number 4, I'm going to select the contracts that I want to create. And I'm not going to go into it in detail, but just so you can see this, it is 12:31. I've just midnight in Sydney, 12:31. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to add the contract. I'm going to select, just for the exercise, 3. And I'm going to do this right now. 43.27 minus 50 equals 41.77. So I'm going to go there. Transmit. Here it is. You can see the order's gone in. I'm going to try and blank all this out, and I'm going to place transmit, and I want this order to go in. So there it is. I've just placed the order.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
That is how quick it takes for me to get into the market. The order's just been filled. I paused for 3-4 seconds. Order's in the market. Now, bear with me. I'm going to change screens. Now, as you can see on my screen, I've actually gone in and bought a stock. I bought it for $43.18 and it's paid me an income of $1.48. I'll just use $1.48. So I made $1.48 divided by 43.18 as a percent. I've just done 3.4% return. 3.4% return. And today is Wednesday, the 20th of March, and I've done a contract to the 28th. So in 8 days, I have done a contract for 8 days, and it's paid me a 3.4% return. I'm in the market, 12:32. My money's in. I go to bed. I've made a 3.4% return. So let me ask you this: you put 100 grand in, you've made 3,400 in 8 days. 3.4% is what I've just made. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm going to leave it at that because it's as simple as, if you really want to make your money work for you, you're going to pull your finger out and you're going to want to learn. If not, you'll come up with excuses. And in less than a minute, my order's gone into the market and you've just seen it. I've just placed a trade and this is live on the markets in a live account. And I have done it with a small amount just so that you can go through and to record this. And no matter whether you're putting in 2 grand, 5 grand, 20 grand, 200 grand, or $1 million, I've just done 3.4%. So whatever capital you want to invest, 3.4% is what I've generated. That is it. Thanks for watching. If you really want to make money, all you need to do is click on my link, go to my masterclass. I'm running one more this month, and that is it. So go to my website, focusbeyond.com/masterclass, or go to my website, focusbeyond.com, click on the link, register for the masterclass, and allow me the opportunity, 4 hours. Allow me 4 hours to go through and change your mindset in the way you've been conditioned. I need to uncondition your mindset for you to understand how this strategy works and how money works for us. And as you've just seen, I've just made a 3.4% return, whether the market over the next 8 days goes up or whether the market over the next 8 days goes down. I have made a 3.4% return. That is it. I can go to bed now, wake up in the morning, and money is sitting in my bank account. And for the next 8 days, whatever the market does, I've still made money. Welcome to Focus Beyond. That is how money is made for us. Yes, there is a process. Yes, you've got to learn. Yes, there's more to it. 4 hours. Sit with me and learn everything you need to know about the strategy. Take care, folks. I'm George Focus from Focus Beyond. Thanks for watching.